In this video, we're going to look at arithmetic series. So let's begin with these sets of numbers. Now, these are all part of an arithmetic series. This here is our first term, second term, third term, so fourth term, and that's our fifth term. So this numbering is our n value, and this is said to be Tn. So you can say that the first value when n is 1, t of 1 is 1. And we know that this is an arithmetic series because we look at the difference between them. So the difference here is 4, the difference here is 4, that's 4, and this is 4. So when you have the same difference, when you have a common difference between each numbers, that's called an arithmetic series. Now that we know that, if we wanted to find the sixth term, we know that all we have to do is add 4. And that's precisely what this rule here tells us, that if you want to find Tn plus 1, so if you want to find T6, we need to know what Tn is, what T5 is, and then add the common difference 4. So for this series, our common difference D is going to be 4, and our first value A is our T1, the first term, and that's 4. So now that we know the sixth term, we can get the seventh term by doing the sixth term plus the common difference of 4, which would just be 21 plus 4, which we know is 25. Now, if say we wanted to find the 20th term, now to do that, because we don't know the 19th term, we can just use this rule here. So Tn, we want to find the 20th term, so we're going to say T20 equals A is our first term, which is 1, plus n minus 1, so 20 minus 1 is 19, times the common difference, which is 4, and that's going to be 1 plus 76, which is 77. So the 20th term will be 77. Now, Sn is the sum, so the sum of the first n terms. So let's look at the first three terms, 1, 5, and 9. Now, if we add them up, we're going to get 1 plus 5 plus 9, which is 15. Now, instead of doing that, we could have also used this rule here. So we want to find the sum of the first three terms. We're going to do n divided by 2, so 3 divided by 2, which is 1.5, times 2 times a, which is 2, plus n minus 1, which is 2, times 4, which is 8. And that's 1.5 times 10, which is 15.